it.
We are often being asked what type of leaders we see a lot in our EXCELerate Coaching for Leaders program, and I really have to say that there's a wide variety of different people coming and taking up learnings from our program. So we have everyone from people that are trying to step up into leadership or just currently stepped up into a team leadership role, benefiting from the 6 modules because it gives them very good understanding as to how they manage themselves and other people as well, all the way up to CEOs and executive teams that go through the program in small groups together so that they really realign on their leadership style.
Approach Services, they've been around for about 5 years now. I first met Eva and Sam about 7 years ago, and we've been friends and colleagues and worked on projects together. And recently they invited me to do the motivation component of the course, which was absolutely fantastic, and also another component, value-driven leadership, which both of these components were sensational.
I joined the EXCELerate program last year. I was thinking about how to take my business to the next step. I'm a consultant and I work with a variety of professionals across many industries. I have a very particular communication style. I'm creative and follow my gut, and I'm very instinctive. I knew I needed some tools to be able to communicate better with a variety of audiences, not just creatives like myself, because they weren't necessarily the clients I was targeting. I saw this course come up and it seemed like the exact match for what I was after. And I enrolled and went along just to see what it was like, and it was actually perfectly exactly what I needed. It was fantastic.
So the highlights from the workshop for me was mostly just the atmosphere. I found it was a very encouraging and engaging atmosphere, so everybody was very encouraged to just take part and get the absolute most they could out of the program. The activities as well were really fun for me. They were all very different, so you were encouraged to think about how they related to the topic a lot more, which I found helped me get a lot more out of the program. It also was just made it a lot more fun. I really enjoyed the boat activity we did, where everyone was forced to work together, and it really highlighted the different roles that people just automatically take on in a group. So yeah, it was just a lot of fun and very engaging.
So what I found most beneficial from this course was that it gave me these insights into my own head and my heart, and it delved quite deeply into areas I wasn't always willing to go easily. It's a wonderful accompaniment for any woman who wants to go to the next level in terms of becoming an emerging leader or an executive inside businesses. It's fun, it's high impact, energetic, really interesting, and it gives you a chance to work with the other people present, very much hands-on, so not at all like the standard leadership development modules of the past. And what a wonderful brand. They're very caring in that sort of environment, so they go about things very carefully in the course, and pace things with people's learning styles. So I can't recommend it high enough.
Hi, I'm Eva. I'm one of the co-founders of the EXCELerate Leadership Program. EXCELerate for Women in Leadership works on your personal growth and helps you to build confidence, to overcome challenging situations and deal with difficult personalities. We delivered this at a non-for-profit organization that's undergoing a major transition, and 36 leaders went through the program. The feedback was that the program is very life-changing, and for myself it was life-changing as well, working through it with the executive team and all the leadership level. It makes a big difference as a leader to be supported through the program and the tools to deal with difficult personalities and difficult situations. I hope that you find the program very valuable. If you're interested, please book your ticket early so that you can secure your spot.
And what's so fabulous also about this course from Approach Services is the fact that I was really surprised that they keep the numbers so low, and by only having maximum 10 people at once in a course, it means you can have an intense amount of time and effort directed at your way and directed at what it is that you're experiencing by the facilitators. So to me, that was the real selling point for this course.